Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to ClouDolus YouTube channel everyone. So today we are going to discuss about developer tools. So there have a tools Git, GitHub, GitHub Action and GitLab. So these are tools, version controlling and collaboration essential tools for DevOps developers. So we are going to discuss about in details and depth which tools are right choice for developers. We are make it summarize ultimately when finish this discussions in this video. So make it is easy for developers which tools are right choice for developers and DevOps. So first of all we are going to Git, then number 2 GitHub and also GitHub Actions and GitLab. So these are tools we discuss about in details and depthly. So before go starts, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget subscribe. So first of all we are going to Git. So Git is the fundamental of version controlling tools. So definitely it's a main features. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system VCS that helps to developer track changes in source code during software development. So in that case need to track your changes code, where is changes updated and other things. So Git is helps to developers to identify and track these changes, also whole source control management. So this is a Git, and then there have a key features of Git. So enable version control and collaboration. This is a main features. Also allow branching, merging and managing repositories locally. So definitely Git is local repository management system. So for developers, also provides commands for managing code history and changes. So definitely there have a commands which track changes code history, also other changes. So this is a core features. Also we are going to which is developers tools importance in DevOps. So Git is a fundamental tool for managing code versions and is a widely used for almost every software development and DevOps environment. So definitely Git is important for DevOps developers because it's widely used for any kind of software development environment, also DevOps environment. So this is the importance in DevOps of Git. So these are the overview of what is Git's also key features, also importance we are discuss about. So we are going to discuss next GitHub. So GitHub is a platform for collaboration and code management tools. So definitely it's a collaboration and code management tools platform. So what is GitHub? So GitHub is a web-based platform built in top of Git that adds a collaboration and project management features. So this is a web-based platform built in top of Git and adds collaboration, also Git management features we have added with GitHub. So this is a GitHub. Also we are found this core features offer code hosting, pull requests, code reviews and issues tracking. So definitely pull requested, hosting, also code reviews. These are features of our GitHubs and provides integration with various development and DevOps tools. So also integration with various developments on DevOps tools and support project management features like Kanban boards and automation of workflow. So definitely support project management features like Kanban boards, also automation workflow. This is our core features of GitHub and also use cases. So widely used for open source project and community driven development. So definitely open project, also community driven development use cases. This is GitHub and ideal for team collaboration and code sharing. So where is build a team and work in the together in a team and need to share code, there have need to GitHub. So these are the GitHub overview code features and use cases. So next we'll go for GitHub Action. So GitHub Action is a automated workflow and CI/CD. So definitely it's a tools for automations. So what is GitHub Actions? GitHub Action is a CI/CD service built into GitHub that allow developer to automated workflow directly from their repository. So definitely CI/CD service built on GitHub and that allow to developer to automated workflow directly from their repository. So this is a GitHub Actions. And then core features where automated tasks building, testing and deploying, integrate seamlessly with other GitHub features for a streamlined development process and support event driven automation triggered by events such as pushes, pull requests and issues. So definitely these are key features where automated tasks building, testing and deploying and integrates seamlessly with other GitHub features like streamlined deployment process and support event triggers where event such as pushes, pull requests, and also tag issues. So these are core features, and then we'll go for use cases, or definitely automated CI/CD pipelines for faster and more efficient development cycles. So definitely automating CI/CD pipelines for faster and more efficient way to development cycles completed by using GitHub Actions, and setting up automated testing, code quality checks, and deployment workflow. So with your setup, you automated testing and checks your code quality, also deployment workflow with automation. So these are the use cases of GitHub Actions for CI/CD, also DevOps developer tools, DevOps developer environment for developers, and these are the overview and core features and use cases. So we will go for next GitLab. So GitLab is a all-in-one DevOps platform. GitLab is a web-based platform similar to GitHub, but with a stronger focus on providing a comprehensive DevOps solutions. So basically for DevOps solution, it's a main features, and for that use cases also GitLab for DevOps solutions in comprehensive way. So it's a web-based platform like GitHub, but stronger focus on providing comprehensive DevOps solutions for DevOps developers. So this is a GitLab. And then so there have a core features. We have a combined source code management, CI/CD pipeline, security, and project management in one platform. So combined source or code management, CI/CD pipeline, security, project management in your own platform, and provides extensive control over CI/CD pipelines, permissions, and security testing. This is a very important key features, and support integration with the other DevOps tools and cloud providers. So definitely these are the core features where code management, CI/CD pipeline, security, and project management in a platform also provide extensive control, CI/CD pipeline, security, and permission, and support integrations with developer, also cloud provider. So and then we go for use cases. So definitely use cases is a DevOps environment, so preferred by organization that needs a comprehensive integrated DevOps platform. So definitely which organization is need comprehensive solution in a one platform of related DevOps, then they are goes to GitLab. So integrated with DevOps platform, and preferred by organization that needed. Also used for enterprise that require robust CI/CD compatibility, security, and compliance management. So these are the requirement which organization, also enterprise requirement as a robust CI/CD compatibilities, security, also compliance. Then there goes to GitLab tools. So these are the overview GitLabs, which is core features and use cases. And then we'll go for make a decision and make it summarize, which is the right choice tools for DevOps and DevOps environments. So first of all, we go for a Git. Definitely start with the Git. So learn Git first and master the fundamental of version control, and then definitely go for GitHub. With ideal for open source project community collaborations, and using GitHub Action for CI/CD, and goes for definitely consider for GitLab suitable for enterprise looking for all-in-one platform DevOps solutions with extensive CI/CD security features. So definitely first of all we go for Git, and then go for GitHub with open source project and community collaborations, and say for GitHub Action for CI/CD, and GitLab for consider when needed to extensive CI/CD security features, also DevOps solutions. So these are the summaries, and get the make decisions which tools for right choice for your environments in a DevOps environment. So these are the summary, and basically we are discuss about Git, GitHub, GitHub Action, and GitLab. So based on that discussions, so if you have any question related overall discussions of related GitHub, GitHub Actions, or also GitLab, do comment your comment section. So that's for today. We will see in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.